Did President Trump just nuke the stock market with his tariffs? Hi, my name is Joe Cantu. President Trump may have a hidden agenda. 6 factors to offset tariffs. So number 1, currency adjustments. Companies may actually devalue their currencies to maintain export competitiveness. So this counteracts tariffs effects. They may do that with the U.S. Number 2, in talking about company supply chains diversification, companies might shift production to other countries who are not subject to tariffs. We could do that here in the United States, reducing reliance on affected imports. Number 3, as nations, we can negotiate with each other to actually lower tariffs. The amazing things, that actually lowers inflation. That's right. When both parties remove their tariffs, it leads directly to lower prices and lower inflation. That makes sense, right? 6 factors to offset tariffs continued. So, number 4, subsidies to local industries could be provided. The United States could give tax breaks and money to local industries to alleviate the burden of tariffs. Number 5, alternate country shifts. We may look to other countries to strengthen new trade relations, which could offset losses from tariffs. Number 6, interest rates provide numerous benefits and may be one of President Trump's hidden weapons. After all, he was a real estate tycoon, and he absolutely loves low interest rates. So finally, we get to the 6th factor to offset tariffs, which is the most powerful, which is lowering interest rates. So when we lower interest rates for businesses, it provides for cheaper loans, which they use to get their money for raw materials. B, it directly boosts consumer spending by people refinancing their monthly credit card debt, homes, cars. So now people have extra money to spend. C, it stimulates economic growth. For example, by offering cheaper loans to buy cars and homes. And D, historically lower interest rates cause our currency to drop in price against other foreign currencies. And that makes U.S. goods cheaper. All goods and services are cheaper to other countries for purchase from the United States. And then E, lower interest rates leads to certainty in our economy, which in turn historically leads to a stock market rally. And F, finally, lower interest rates leads directly to lower inflation, causing prices to be lowered on goods and services. So in conclusion, remember in President Trump's first term, we had low gasoline prices, we were energy independent, we had lower taxes, we had low inflation, and low interest rates. Now, I believe these tariffs may be a method to his madness. Again, because there are several avenues to explore. Currency adjustments, supply chain diversification, negotiations with the U.S. could lower tariffs, and that leads directly to lower inflation. He could provide subsidies to lower the price of goods for our products and services. As a vendor, we can shift to other countries for our products. And finally, lowering interest rates has numerous advantages for businesses and inflation. So you see, it is possible that his madness may lead to lower prices and inflation. These tariffs are just one chapter in President Trump's book. It's just being written. Let's see how it ends. And let's not panic.
Joe Cantu, Chief Investment Officer of Cantu Tactical Wealth Management, is your host and has over 30 years of experience in the retirement money management profession. He is a West Point graduate with a master's in business administration and has worked for 3 of the largest Wall Street firms as a stockbroker and portfolio manager. Over 10 years ago, he created Cantu Tactical Wealth Management, which actively balances and selects investments based on a tactical approach rather than the traditional strategic management method. Instead of the buy and hold philosophy, he believes in the pursuit of finding investments showing momentum, performance regardless of the direction of the market. His experience includes IRA accounts, 401k rollovers, trusts, endowments, defined benefit plans, 403bs, and 401k plans. Additionally, he served as a night college instructor for seniors, teaching high net worth retirement and estate planning for 14 years. Podcast views and personal opinions are for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute a recommendation. Investing has risk of loss and you should consult with your own advisors for any financial decisions. Cantu Tactical Wealth Management and Joe Cantu are a fiduciary firm and registered investment advisor in the states of California, Florida, Georgia, and Texas, providing pure independent advice and money management.